Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to do a hanging indent on Google Docs. Now we usually do this for citations. For example, you just want to go ahead and highlight the references or whatever piece of text that you want to go ahead and make a hanging indent for. And then come here, click on Format, right? And from here, come to Align an Indent, click on this option, Indentation option. So once we click on this, we see a special indent section. Click on this drop down. I want you to go ahead and choose hanging and set this to 0.5. Okay, now go ahead and click on apply. And there we go. We have done the indent. And usually for the formatting, we usually also do double spacing. So highlight that, come here to format, go to line and paragraph spacing. You can go ahead and choose double. And there we go. Looks much better. And it's really that easy and simple.